Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create a content report in Clearscope, which is a powerful web-based AI-powered tool that helps you optimize your content and drive traffic to your website. If you haven't watched this previous tutorial on how to use the Clearscope keyword discovery tool, I would encourage you to do that. If you have watched the previous tutorial, this is where we left off. Now, if you've already done your keyword research, you can directly click on reports in the left side panel as well. First, you need to enter your keyword or topic in this box. I'll go with artistically AI reviews. Next, you choose your search locale. You have several options here. I'll leave it to the default United States, which is google.com. For language, I'll stick with English. If you want to, you can also refine your report to a specific geographic region. I'll leave this as blank. And I'll click on Create Report. It will then start generating the report, and this can take about a minute or so. And here is the generated report. I'll click on Get Started. You'll then have three options, as you can see here. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Draft with AI to create your content in Clearscope. To try Clearscope and get a discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.